Good day everyone, I am Aldrin Kurt M. Longalong, and for this video, I'm going to discuss the things that I have learned regarding to Unit 7 and Unit 8. So let's start! In this unit, I've learned a lot about what it means to support learners on the autism spectrum. One of the biggest things that stood out to me is how different each individual with autism can be. There really isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Some students may struggle with communication or social interaction, while others might have sensory sensitivities or repetitive behaviors. I also learned how important it is to create structure and use clear visual supports when teaching. These strategies can really help learners with ASD feel more comfortable and engage in the classroom. The unit also emphasized the importance of being patient, understanding, and flexible. Another key takeaway for me was the role of collaboration. Working closely with families, other teachers, and specialists makes a big difference in meeting each student's unique needs. Overall, this unit helped me see the importance of inclusion and how we as educators can create a more supportive and respectful environment for all learners. This unit really opened my eyes to what specific learning disabilities actually are. I used to think that they were just about struggling in school, but I have learned they're much more complex and different for each student. Things like dyslexia, dyscalculia, and dysgraphia can seriously affect how a student reads, writes, or understands math, even though they're just as capable as anyone else. What stood out to me the most is that with the right support like extra time, visual aids, or breaking tasks down, these learners can do really well. I also learned how important it is to spot the signs early and use tools like IEPs to make sure they are getting that help they need. So, most of all, this unit reminded me how important it is to be patient, supportive, and to never lower expectations. Every student learns differently, and it's our job to help them shine in their own way. Thank you.